My name is Brian Lewis. I'm one of the owners of DreamWash Auto Spa. I've been in the car wash industry for going on 4 years now. We have 2 locations in the North Dallas area. Currently we're using the Blast Tech nozzles on our high pressure rinse system and our wheel blasting using reclaimed water. Yes, our high pressure rinse system wasn't effectively getting all of the foamed soap off of the vehicle before we applied waxes and drying agents. So we switched all our nozzles to Blast Tech Pro 324 nozzles, size 5, and they have effectively rinsed the vehicle more than enough. So the nozzles that we've placed on our AVW wheel cannons have effectively improved on the cleaning and rinsing of the wheels and rims and tires after changing them out to Blast Tech Pro nozzles. Hydra-Flex has been fantastic to work with. They provide a great chemical delivery system for our locations, and their nozzles have been working flawlessly for our high pressure wheel blasting and high pressure rinsing systems.